Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the SnowgeCoin token on Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap. It's actually very easy and simple to do. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB using the Binance platform and then transferring it over to your Trust Wallet so you guys are able to swap it for SnowgeCoin on Pancakeswap. Now, let's let you guys know I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials on my channel. So if you guys are always looking for that new coin to invest in or just how to do the simple things within crypto, I recommend subscribing to my channel as I will have daily content coming out for cryptocurrencies in the future. Now let's go along with this video. So just follow along step by step and I'll show you guys exactly how to purchase SnowgeCoin. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And that's just going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now, I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now, what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have received your BNB in your Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet, you just have to add in the SnowgeCoin into your Trust Wallet. And to do that, I have the first link in the description as well as in the comment section. It's just going to be over to BSC Scan. And what you guys want to do when you come over to BSC Scan right here is you just want to scroll down and just copy this contract ID that you guys see right here. So you just want to click on copy, and then we can go back over to Trust Wallet. Once you guys are back in Trust Wallet, you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles and click on that. And then in here, you just want to paste the contract address into the search button here. And then you should see SnowgeCoin right there. You just go ahead and click on Enable and click on Done. And once you guys are done adding the SnowgeCoin in there, you just want to make sure that you guys have the browser icon in the bottom here. If you don't see the browser icon here, I do have a second link in the description as well as in the comment section down below. And I'll just bring you guys over to the Trust Wallet website where we'll tell you guys exactly what you have to do to enable your DApp browser. And if you scroll down here, it just says that you have to click on this link right here. Once you click on the link, it will then pop open this pop-up here saying that you have to open this page in your Trust Wallet. Once you click on open, it will then add the browser icon to the bottom of your application. Once you guys have that done there, you guys will be able to then purchase your SnowgeCoin. So we're just going to head over to browser and then to Pancakeswap. Once we're on Pancakeswap here, if it's your first time using it, you're going to have to connect your Trust Wallet. And to do that, at the very top of your screen, you should see a button that says Connect. If you click on Connect and then click on Trust Wallet, it will then automatically put your wallet address at the very top of your screen, and you will then be connected to Pancakeswap. And then we can come down to the exchange here. And as long as you have your BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, you will then see a balance here that you guys can then convert over to SnowgeCoin. So you just want to make sure that your BNB is in your Smart Chain wallet. Anyhow, once you guys have that done, you just want to go to where it says Select a Currency and click on that. And then you're going to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan in here. So we just go ahead and click on Paste again. And then we'll see Snowge right there. So we just go ahead and click on Add and then click on the SnowgeCoin. We'll then be able to type in the amount of BNB that we want to transfer over to SnowgeCoin. But first, I recommend changing your slippage tolerance to 12. And to change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go up to the top where you see Exchange. And just right beside Exchange, you see 3 lines right there. You just want to go ahead and click on that. And then you could change your slippage tolerance to 12 here. Once you guys have done that, you can then decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over to SnowgeCoin. So we just go ahead and I'll type in an example here. So we can do 0.2, and then it shows you how much Snowge you'd get for that in exchange. Now what you guys have to do if you're okay with that transaction is just click where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just tell you continue or purchase there. And once you guys click on that, it will show you a broken down version of your transaction and the fees that you're going to pay and stuff like that. If you guys are okay with those fees, you can just click on OK and purchase. Once you guys are done purchasing it, you can just exit out of Pancakeswap and back over to your wallet, and you would then see your SnowgeCoin there in a couple minutes. It's really, really easy to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to purchase your SnowgeCoin. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.